Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the ice wand item in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the ice wand looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how you can use this item. First thing first, I'm going to show you how you can obtain this item. You can buy it from the Christmas shop, and it costs 700 million shekels if I'm not mistaken. You can buy it from here, and as you can see, this is the ability of this ice wand. During snowfall, fruits around ice wands have a higher chance to become more snowy, so you need to place it in your garden during the snowfall. And now the snowfall is coming, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, let's place it here. Okay, ice wand has been placed, and the fruits or the plants around this ice wand can get more snowy mutations. And yeah, that's how you can use it. Okay guys, then that's how we can use the ice wand in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!